Okay, here you can see this is the control panel of our DS68. Our D-series hose crimping machines, all our D-series hose crimping machine, the control panel is the same. So you can see it is quite easy to understand and it is very easy to operate. Cause the goal of our factory is to bring more and more convenience to our customer and the customers of our customers. So all the operation of our machines is very easy. Okay, so you can see, let's get back to the video. You can see there, here, this is the green button. So you can see, you can imagine, if you press this button, the dies will go forward. Then the crimping job is doing. And the red button, after you done the crimping job, you need to press the red button. Then the dies will go backward. After that, you will get a beautiful hose assembly.